pa siyang dagdagan about community development and community organizing. So, what and where is your particular work? So, I'm currently Community Development Assistant 1 and nagtatrabaho sa Department of Agriculture Region 12. Diba? So, taga Region 12 po.
Yung kamay, yung nakaganyan, kamayan. Parang tayo yung mga empleyado, tayo yung mga tao para sa development ng IP communities. Yung dalawa dyan na drawing, hindi na talaga magaling mag-drawing. Sila yung mga IPs na parang ano natin sila, tayo yung magiging yun nga, kasangkapan para ma-develop yung kanilang communities.
So why are you here? So I am here because I want to learn. Bago lang po ako sa 4K, 4 months pa lang. So I still have to learn more.
Parang same na lang tayo, nandito tayo para matuto and magkaroon pa ng more knowledge for about sa community organizing and ano yun?
Basically, yeah, thank you so much. Basically, pag-start ng 4K, parang 3 months after, napasok ko sa 4K na. So, why I joined this activity? Because I want to reflect the courage of the implementation of 4K in Region 9 sa ngayon na itatackle natin within the week. No? Kung angkor ba siya or meron kaming na-miss na kailangan i-backtrack or kailangan natin i-improve within the community in the region.
Okay po, sa question number 1, so why are you here? So same lang po sa inyong lahat. I am here also to learn.
Gusto ko po talagang makasali sa isang government na gaya nito na tumutulong sa mas mahirap gaya po namin.
Aratli. So dito, meron tayong yung red, yung mga circles, yun yung fruit seeds. So, paano tumatin yung fruit seeds? Is ito yung kinakandak nating training.
I am here to enhance my knowledge in community organizing and community development, and I'm also here because I was trusted with certain tasks that I need to accomplish.
yun, ano? Kaya yung tugtungan sa isa sa mga values ay mahalaga. Para ating
Bye-bye.